In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam connection issues on Windows by refreshing your network and updating DNS settings. First, start by power cycling your internet at home. Unplug your home Wi-Fi router, then plug it back in to reconnect. This clears temporary network glitches and gives you a clean connection to work with. Once your Wi-Fi is back online and your PC is connected again, we'll move on to Windows settings. Open the search bar on your PC and type command prompt. When it shows up, click Run as Administrator. This is important because we're about to run a system-level network command that needs elevated permissions. When the command prompt window opens, type exactly ipconfig flush DNs. There's a space after ipconfig. Press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can remove stale or incorrect routing information that might block Steam from reaching its servers. You may see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was flushed. Close the command prompt window. Next, go back to the search bar and look for network connection. From the results, select View Network Connections. This opens a window listing your active network adapters. Click on your current connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi. If you're wired, select Ethernet. I'll click on my Wi-Fi for this example. In the connection window, click Properties. In the list, find Internet Protocol version 4, sometimes labeled TCP/IP4, and click Properties again. Here, we're going to set reliable DNS servers manually. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. In Preferred DNS Server, type 8.8.88. In Alternate DNS Server, type 8.8.44. These are public DNS servers provided by Google, known for speed and stability. They help your computer translate web addresses to the correct servers more consistently, which can resolve issues where Steam can't sign in, load the store, or start downloads. Click OK to save those settings, then click Close to exit the Properties window. Your network adapter will immediately start using the new DNS addresses. There's no reboot required for this change. Now try to run Steam. With the router refreshed, your DNS cache cleared, and your DNS servers set to reliable values, Steam should be able to connect more smoothly. These steps don't change your Wi-Fi password or your account details. They simply improve how your PC finds and reaches Steam's servers. If everything launches normally, you're all set and can get back to gaming. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Steam working again quickly.